Problems. Express x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5 in terms of Legendre polynomials. So in the last video, we have already seen how to calculate the values of x cube, x square, x and constant in terms of Legendre polynomials. So using those formulae, you will have to express this polynomial in terms of Legendre polynomials. So first of all, let's take the function f of x. So let f of x be equal to x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5. So here in the first term, you should substitute the Legendre polynomial of x cube. So let's write the formula for x cube, which we have already learned. What is a Legendre polynomial formula for x cube? That is 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 p1 of x. Then the next formula which you will need here is for x square. How do you write x square in terms of Legendre polynomial? X square is equal to 2 by 3 p2 of x plus 1 by 3 p0 of x. Then the next term here is minus 4x. X is nothing but p1 of x, and here you have a constant, that is 5. You can say that's equal to 5 into 1, and we know how to write 1 in terms of Legendre polynomial. 1 is equal to p0 of x. So if you want, you can write 5 as 5 into 1, that is 5 into p0 of x. So let's see what will be the value of f of x now. F of x is equal to, put the values, x cube is 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 p1 of x plus 2 into x square, that is 2 into 2 by 3 into p2 of x plus 1 by 3 into p0 of x. Next you have minus 4x, which is minus 4 into what is x here, p1 of x plus 5, that is plus 5 into 1, that 1 is equal to p0 of x. Now how do you get the Legendre polynomial? So what we do is, we combine the common terms together and we write, for p3 of x you have only one coefficient, so you get 2 by 5 p3 of x. Then let's see the terms of p2 of x. For p2 of x, you have the coefficient from here as 2 into 2 by 3, that is 4 by 3. So this is one term. I guess that's it. So you get for p2 of x as plus 4 by 3 p2 of x. Then for p1 of x, here the coefficient is 3 by 5, and here you have one more coefficient, that is minus 4. So 3 by 5 and minus 4. On solving you get minus 17 by 5 p1 of x. Then the last remaining term is, here you have p0 of x, the coefficient is 2 into 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 from this. Please don't forget to take this 2. And here the coefficient of p0 of x is plus 5. So on solving we should get plus 17 by 3 into p0 of x. Let's solve some similar problems. Second problem, if x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1 equal to a p0 of x plus b p1 of x plus c p2 of x plus d p3 of x, find the values of a comma b comma c and d. So let's take f of x as x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1. What is x cube equal to? 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 p1 of x. X square is equal to 1 by 3 p naught of x plus 2 by 3 p2 of x. X is equal to p1 of x and 1 is equal to p naught of x. Let's find the value of f of x. F of x is equal to x cube. So put the value of x cube over here, plus 2 into x square. X square value is here. Put it here. Minus x. So minus p1 of x plus 1. That is plus p naught of x. Now let's further simplify this. So we get p3 of x. For p3 of x, you have only one term. The term is over here. So you get 2 by 5 p3 of x. And for p2 of x, you have only one term here, that is plus 2 into 2 by 3. So I get 4 by 3 p2 of x. 2 multiplied with 2 by 3, so it's 4 by 3. Then for p1 of x, the coefficient from the first term is, here I get 3 by 5. Then here I get minus 1. So I get minus 2 by 5 p1 of x. And of course the last term is plus 2 by 3 p naught of x plus p naught of x. So solve it, you get 5 by 3 p naught of x. But now here you have to write what are the values taken by a, b, c and d. What is a here? A is the coefficient of p naught of x. So the coefficient of p naught of x here is 5 by 3. A is 5 by 3. B is the coefficient of p1 of x, which is minus 2 by 5. C is the coefficient of p2 of x, which is plus 4 by 3. And D is the coefficient of p3 of x, which is 2 by 5. Third problem. Show that x power 4 minus 3x square plus x equal to 8 by 35 p4 of x minus 10 by 7 p2 of x plus p1 of x minus 4 by 5 p naught of x. So let's take f of x as x power 4 minus 3x square plus x. What is x power 4? Its Legendre polynomial expansion is 8 by 35 p4 of x plus 4 by 7 p2 of x plus 1 by 5 p naught of x. Then the next term which you need here is the Legendre polynomial expansion of x square, that is 2 by 3 p2 of x plus 1 by 3 p naught of x. And the next term which you need is x. X is equal to p1 of x. Let's substitute the values in f of x. So f of x is equal to, first term in f of x is x power 4. X power 4 is here. Copy that value. Minus 3 into x square. X square value is here. So you get this term plus x, that is plus p1 of x. Let's solve further. So you get 8 by 35 p4 of x. After that, the term of p2 of x. For p2 of x, you have one coefficient here and other coefficient is over here. So you get plus 4 by 7 from this, and here you get minus 3 into 2 by 3. So I think this 3 and 3 will cancel. So you get 2 p2 of x with the negative sign. So this is the next term. So p2 of x is minus 10 by 7 p2 of x. Then for p1 of x, of course you have only one term, the last term here. So directly write that. And for p naught of x, you have two terms. One term is here, 1 by 5. And one more term is this one, minus 3 into plus 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 will cancel. You get minus 1 into p naught of x. So combining these two, I get minus 4 by 45 p naught of x. Let's solve the next problem. Show that first question in this is p2 of cos theta equal to 1 by 4 into 1 plus 3 cos theta. And the second problem is P3 of cos theta equal to 1 by 8 into 3 cos theta plus 5 cos 3 theta. Now, how do we solve the first one here? To solve the first one, from the Legendre polynomial expansion, you know that P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. Now, what is P2 of cos theta? So, if you replace x by cos theta here, you should get P2 of cos theta as 1 by 2 into 3 cos square theta minus 1. So, that's equal to 1 by 2 into 3 into cos square theta is 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta, and here you get minus 1. To solve further, then you should get P2 of cos theta equal to, here I get 3 by 2 into 1 and I get 3 by 2 into cos theta minus 1. So these two terms which you get here will be multiplied by 1 by 2. So if you solve it further, you should get 1 by 4 into 1 plus 3 cos theta. And the next one is prove that P3 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 8 into 3 cos theta plus 5 cos 3 theta. So to solve this, again we use the Legendre polynomial expansion of P3 of x. P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. What we want to calculate here is P3 of cos theta, to replace x by cos theta. So you get P3 of cos theta as 1 by 2 into 5 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. That is 1 by 2 into 5 into, use the formula for cos cube of theta. Cos cube of theta is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. So here for cos cube theta, I have used, or I have substituted this value here, minus 3 cos theta. Now if you solve the terms inside the parenthesis, you should get 5 by 4 cos 3 theta plus 5 by 4 into 3 cos theta minus 3 cos theta, and all those terms will be multiplied by 1 by 2. So after further simplification, the answer for P3 of cos theta is equal to 1 by 8 into 3 cos theta plus 5 cos 3 theta. Let's solve the last problem. Obtain P3 of x from Rodrigues formula and verify that it satisfies Legendre's equation in the standard form. So the first part you have already learnt it, that is obtain P3 of x from Rodrigues formula. So what we have to do here is, we have to use the formula of Pn of x, that is Rodrigues formula. Pn of x is equal to what? 1 by 2 power n into n factorial into nth derivative of x square minus 1 whole power n. So now using this formula, you have to find the value of P3 of x. And I'm not going to do that because we have learnt it already in the last videos. So use this formula, that is Rodrigues formula, and calculate the value of P3 of x. And now we know what is the value of P3 of x. P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. That's the first part of the question. Once that is done, verify that it satisfies Legendre's equation in the standard form. So what do you mean by this? That P3 of x satisfies Legendre's equation in the standard form. That means when you take the value of y as P3 of x in the Legendre's equation, the equation should become 0. So, what is the Legendre's equation? The Legendre's equation is given by 1 minus x square into y double dash minus 2xy dash plus n into n plus 1 into y equal to 0. Now here I have to take the value of y as P3 of x, and what should be n value? We are taking P3 of x here, so n value is equal to 3. So now in this equation, whenever you replace the value of y by this value P3 of x, you should get the LHS value equal to the value of the RHS, that is both sides should be equal to 0. So now here y value is P3 of x, that is y equal to 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. What else do I need in the equation? I need to know what is the value of y dash. Y dash is equal to differentiation of this term with respect to x. So I get 1 by 2 into 5x cube differentiation is 15x square minus 3x differentiation is minus 3. Then y double dash is differentiation of y dash with respect to x. So I get 1 by 2. Differentiation of 15x square is 30x. Differentiation of this term is 0. 30x by 2 is 15x. So now let's substitute the value of y, y dash, y double dash, and also the value of n in equation 1, and let's check whether the answer will be equal to 0. So when you put the value in equation 1, that is in this equation, you get 1 minus x square, y double dash is here 15x, minus 2x into y dash is here, so multiplied by 1 by 2 into 15x square minus 3 plus n into n plus 1, but n here is 3, so 3 into 3 plus 1, that is 4, into y is here 1 by 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. So let's solve this further. 1 into 15x minus x square into 15x, so I get minus 15x cube. 2 and 2 cancels, 15x square into x, 15x cube with a negative sign, minus and minus plus 2 has been cancelled, 3x. Here I get 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 2, that's 2. So I get 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 5, 30x cube. Then here I get 3 into 2, 6, 6 into minus 3x, that is minus 18x. So now if you solve it further, what do you get? 15x is here. Here you have plus 3x, which makes it 18x. 18x and minus 18x. So the term of x becomes 0. Minus 15x cube and minus 15x cube, that is minus 30x cube. Adding it with plus 30x cube, what should be my answer? The answer should be 0. So you can say that P3 of x satisfies the Legendre's equation in the standard